Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the shift boot in my Acura TSX. This is the shift boot. This little cloth piece here, this is what we're going to be changing. I got the new one here off of Etsy. I'll show you the business card in a bit. Don't mind the dust. Okay, so in order for us to get to this and actually change it, we have to take out this panel here. So I'm just gonna take this out so we have a little more space. So we're gonna have to pop this out. If you have a pry tool, that would work. So it's coming off really easy. So, oh god. Let me just put this in neutral. We're gonna have to disconnect the seat warmers. Before we do all of that, let me just do this. Oh my god. I'm sorry. My bad. Okay, now, wow. This and this. Okay, I'm just gonna have to fidget with it. This clip here. Alright, come on. God. Work with me, buddy. Oh my god. I thought we had to take out this whole thing, but I guess not. Which is nice. Okay, it's coming. Almost there. Come on, come on. Okay, thank God. Okay, now we know this is passenger side, the longer one. This is driver side. Well, mine is blue and white, so I'll remember. And this is it. This is the boot at the bottom. There's a couple staples in here we're gonna have to remove. And then I'm probably gonna have to take this out too, so Phillips, 4 Phillips screws right here. I'm gonna go outside and take you with me. Stay put, don't go anywhere. Can I wiggle this? I'm scared. Okay, I'm outside. I have this on the table. I got, let me flip the camera. The Phillips over here. I got something, I don't have a staple remover, so I think this will work just to like pull it out. This just in case I need to get in there. I don't know what I'm doing, so let's just start by removing the stapler. Okay. I don't wanna, oh my god, this thing is so bad. Should just rip it out. Let me remove these. Maybe not. Keep that over here. Four screws. This black thing came with this top one, so I'll just put it back where I found it. I'm gonna put this one here so I don't forget this one goes here, just in case. Put that in here. We got this buddy to work with. Let me just see the size. This is the one I got off of Etsy. I don't want to ruin this. I need something. Oh Lord. this thing needs some WD-40. Let's try this. Okay, okay, okay. Lift it a little. Let's do this side. I don't want to ruin this either. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. So I can keep this one in case something happens.
This is me just removing the staples from my shift boot. This is me just removing the staples from my shift boot. Yeah, I found the smallest flathead in my shed and it turned out to be the best tool to remove the staples from my shift boot. My shift boot, my shift boot, looking so cute. My shift boot.
It looks like there's adhesive on it too. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe. Oh duh, I have to remove this. Stupid. Be careful with this. I want to be delicate. Watch your fingies. This out of here. Guess I forgot about this one. Honestly, this part is what's probably gonna take you the longest. But be patient because there you go. Do I need to take this out? Well, I'm gonna find out, so let me take all of this out and I'm gonna clean it because it's dirty a little. I just took out OEM staples. Let me sell it on eBay for $100. Sounds about right. Alcohol and a microfiber. Clean it up of any dirt, adhesive residue, all of that. In a second, I'm gonna forget how to put this in, and I'm gonna have to look back at this video to confirm, because I'm a very forgetful person. Put that over there. We don't need you anymore. Okay. Oh god. Push this through here is what I'm assuming. Right? Is that right? Yeah. And then that's gonna go like that under there. I'm pretty sure. I want the rope to the front, like facing me, facing the cabin. Oh gosh. It's gonna be like this, right? And then like here, like to the front. I think I have to cut it. You need to cut it. Am I doing this right? Like, no, it's the other way. Yeah, good thing I watched it back because it is this way. I would have been so mad. Well, I would have found out eventually, but it's this way. And then, I told you, I'm a forgetful person. It goes like this, and it wraps around wraps around and then you staple it under like that. Makes more sense. Duh. I'm a trip, bro. I'm a trip. This is the front. This is going over like this. This is the bottom. And it's gonna come around like this. But I need to trim all of this. This is like wasted thread right here that I have to cut. Dang. Let me get some scissors. Let me go find some double-sided tape somewhere before I start this whole thing, because I'm not gonna want to get up. I have this to trim. I don't think I'm gonna staple it again, because I'm gonna have to like put holes. 2, 4, 6, 8 staple. Not bad, but I don't want to do that. Maybe I'm just gonna do the tape, because that, I hope that will hold up. I found this. This might be better. So I'm gonna probably like cut them in half. We'll see when we get there. Okay, one last time. It's going like this over it. This will be the front facing me. This, the narrower part. Go like this. But I'm scared, like, what if I cut too much off? We gotta try and see, bro. Let me stop. I'm gonna make sure, because I don't want to waste anything. I haven't been using my brain for the past couple days. Let me try to get as much length as I can. How is this one? This height? I'm just gonna start trimming. I need to cut out like slits here, so I could obviously screw that in. But I'm gonna cut around, like trim off everything first. If this scissor, oh my god, bro, I can't. Oh my god! I need fabric scissors. I got 2 kinds just in case, probably this one. There we go, there we go. Just make sure you got wrap around. Because I want to put the adhesive here. Actually, I'll put the adhesive and then I'll trim the rest, in case we get ourselves into a little trouble. I'm gonna check it one more time to make sure it's in the center how I want it. I don't want to put it here. Stays. Make sure it clears the screw holes one last time. here, here, and 2 pieces there. To stick down here, but it's not with the tape, but I'll try again. Can't know unless you try, right? Yeah, it's coming back up. I don't know what else to do. Hopefully it doesn't bother me too much. I think it was like this before. That's why it came off with the screw. But I'm gonna fix this because it's not look pretty. It does not look pretty. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out because of all the little thread pieces. Like, what if it falls? Is that something I should be worried about? Like, is that gonna cause any mechanical issues later on? I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Like, what if it falls into some place that doesn't belong there?
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we're back in the car with my new shift boot. Do we like it? It's cute. I like it. Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. It's not going anywhere. It's secured on. We're just gonna have to plug back in the seat warmers. Really? Don't give me a hard time, bro. I didn't put anything here. Should I put a zip tie? Let me see how tight actually this can go. It might fall. I could put something there. It may or may not. Have to really drive it and see. Oh, so cute! Look at it. Beautiful. Click, click, click. be tighter. Unless if I put like a zip tie. I don't know. Any recommendations? Like how tight can I really go? Let's wrap it around like this. Maybe that'll work better. And then we'll do a bow. Is that too thick? I don't know, I'll figure that out. It's still cute. Alright, we'll put this back. It's not too flashy. It's little cute little sakuras on it. Okay, the details on the shift boot itself. I got it from Notions and Devotions on Etsy, and it's listed as black cherry blossom shift boot, sakura shift boot, JDM. I'll link it in my description. You can personalize it any way you want. So I got this thread here in a hollow shimmer red, and then the rope in red. And then she's gonna ask for a personalization. So you just put in your year, make, and model of the car. If you want to go the extra mile, you can look it up yourself, the shift boot dimensions, which is what I did. And then I added it in the personalization box for her. So for the 08 Acura TSX, the dimensions are 5.91 by 5.91 by 0.39 inches, if I remember correctly. Really pretty. High quality. I love it. It's worth the money. Which was only like 50 bucks. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Shout out Notions and Devotions. Thank you. Highly recommend. Oh my god, that's mad bright. Yeah, but if you want to change your shift boot though, I say go for it. It's gonna elevate your car. I really like mine. It's not difficult to do. Every car is obviously gonna be different, but it shouldn't be that hard. It's not hard. Nothing is hard. Let me stop talking about nonsense. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want, do whatever you please, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.